Yo, what is up, guys? Today I am back, and I really don't know what we're gonna do today, boys. Drink some Dr. Pepper. Let me try and open this door. Oh gosh, the camera might fall. Crap. Boys, gotta tell you about a few things. Oh gosh, it's echoing here. Oh man. Two things. Number one, I'm out. Psych, boys. But to be honest with you, oh god, I can't see. Hold on. Okay. If you're wondering why my hair looks like this, because I'm trying a new hairstyle. I really don't like it that well, but number two, my voice probably sounds really deep, and I figured it out why. Why it sounds deep is because it's winter. Well, not winter time. It's summer, but ever since my dad cut the grass, it's allergies, and it makes my nose stopped up, and I sound deep. It sounds like I'm holding my nose like, hey, how you doing, you know? So, yeah. Oh, boys, I can't wait to flipping summertime, boys, where I'll be back to normal, sounding normal, regular videos. It's gonna be so fun. Anyway, that's about it for today, boys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace. You wanna look inside Dr. Pepper can? Can you see? Tell me what's in there. Let me shake it up. Oh, look, you can see the fizz. Anyway.